Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is AZ Drone, and thanks for stopping by and checking out the channel. I've noticed we've had more and more subscribers popping up here recently, and I really appreciate all of you stopping on by. I wanted to let you know what's going to be happening with this channel over the next couple weeks. So here we are, January of 2019, and I've actually been doing more drone videos, photography videos, and a couple other things over on my other main channel, which is on YouTube. It's just Rich Charpentier. I'm going to put a link down in the show notes, and I'll pop an info card up in this video for you. So most of the tutorials, instructional stuff, and drone conversation is actually getting moved to that channel. The channel that you're on right now, that you're watching at this very moment, is going to start being used for the commercial work that I'm doing for some of my clients. So in the upcoming weeks and months, we're going to see more final products here and not so much instructional stuff, tutorial stuff, or conversations about drones. So if you're interested in the tutorials and conversations about drones, I'd suggest you go check out my other channel. Once again, that's Rich Charpentier, and the link's down in the show note, and there's also a link in the info card. So I hope to see you over on that channel, and I hope that you stay tuned to this channel as well. Like I said, we'll be seeing more finished products coming up in the next few weeks. I've got a larger contract that I've got to do right at the start of February for a couple weeks in southern Arizona. And by the time I'm wrapped up with that, I'll probably have days of posts that will be coming over to this particular channel. But go check out the other channel in the meantime. We've covered Ground Station Pro. We've covered ways to manage your images and your videos with a program that I recently stumbled across called Kino, which is just absolutely awesome. So you really should check that video out. I'll put an info card about that one as well. So this channel is still going to be a little quieter for a little while, but in the meantime, you can go catch up on the other channel and stay tuned for final products here and final work that I've done commercially for clients in Arizona starting in 2019. And maybe I'll even take some things out of the mothballs and do some final productions of some other things I did for clients during fall of 2018. All right, once again, thanks for stopping by and checking out the channel, and I hope you enjoy the aerial footage that I've tagged into this one as well. We'll see you over on the other channel, and I hope you're having a great new year. We'll see you soon.